In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from running in the background 5 minutes. If you've noticed your computer feeling a bit sluggish, your fans spinning up, or your battery draining faster than expected, Edge might still be running even after you close its windows. Let's quickly end those background processes using Task Manager so your system can free up memory and CPU resources. Start on your desktop, right click on an empty area of the desktop to open the context menu. From that menu, click Task Manager. This is the quickest way to get to the tool that shows what's running on your PC. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Either way, the goal is to bring up Task Manager so we can see and manage active processes. Once Task Manager is open, make sure you're looking at the processes view. On most systems it opens there by default. If you see a simplified window with fewer options, click more details at the bottom to expand it. The Processes tab lists everything currently running, grouped by apps and background processes, along with how much CPU, memory, and other resources they're using. Now scan the list for Microsoft Edge. You might see it listed under Apps if a window is still open, or under Background Processes if it's running silently in the background. Sometimes there are several Edge processes grouped together. If you see a small arrow next to Microsoft Edge, click it to expand the group and view all associated items. Select Microsoft Edge in the list, then click End Task in the top right corner of Task Manager. This tells Windows to immediately close Edge and any associated background processes. If multiple Edge items are listed, you may need to repeat End Task for each one in the group. A quick reminder, ending the task will close any open Edge windows and tabs, so make sure you've saved any work before doing this. After you end the task, keep an eye on the list to confirm that Microsoft Edge disappears from the running processes. That's your confirmation that it's no longer active in the background and your system resources are now freed up. That's it. You've stopped Microsoft Edge from running in the background with just a few clicks. If Edge starts again later, it's usually because something launched it or it was reopened. For now, you've ended it safely and regained performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped your PC feel a little faster and lighter.